Larry loved this school. They started a scholarship fund because he loved the students so much.
So I was lucky enough to be a recipient for the G. Larry James Scholarship. He brought a lot to Stockton and really brought the athletic program into Stockton, which I think is important. $1,000 is that I don't have to pay back and that is a gift from someone is an extremely amazing gift. I'm very thankful for that.
And the fact that he loved the students so much is they started this legacy bike ride. So the fruit of Larry's life is one of this is the legacy bike ride. So it's not just a bike ride, it's a fellowship.
The way that I have been able to give back to the college is through the G. Larry James Scholarship Fund, and myself and my company sponsor the ride every year. As an avid cyclist, I find it is an enjoyable way to have a fun day out, as well as give back to current students at the college.